welcome to my channel. I know you want to create a YouTube channel and this is the right video. So in this video I'm going to show you all the tips and how you're going to create a new YouTube channel, and also the key customization settings that will be able to help your videos get discovered from the search engine. This is what you're going to do. You go to your browser. Actually, this tutorial I'm giving it recovers it's from the desktop, also from the mobile. In mobile also you have to use a browser, don't use a YouTube app, because if you use a YouTube app it's going to limit you and you cannot be able to get more settings as in the browser. So let's go to youtube.com. You're going to type in youtube.com and it should be able to bring you here when you type on your browser. So when you type on this, you will find actually this sign in button, and you tap on it. And if in case you don't have any email or any Google account, you're going to say use another one, or you don't have completely, and you're going to say create a new account. Of course, either you're going to create for yourself or for managing a business, but always in most cases it's for myself. But for next time we shall learn how to create a Gmail account or Google account, but this particular video we want to learn how to create a YouTube channel. So I'm going to log on with my mail I have here, then I log into my password. Well, now this is the area I have logged on this. So you're going to tap on this area. You see, you'll find the first letter. It will be the beginning letter of your name, or the first letter of your name. That is what you're going to use to show you your profile. So we're going to click on that, and if it is really a new channel, it's just going to tell you create a channel. And if it is not, you're going to into settings and other customizations. So let's go and create a channel. So when you come to this, it tells you that your creator journey begins. So you're going to say get started. Then when you come to this, there are two options here. There is use your name and use a custom name. So when you use your name, it limits you to use your particular names. For example, there will be first name and the second name. Then this one, you can be able to create a brand name. For example, you can have only one single word meaning your business or whatever. But this one, you see, this is BenTech, this is Benjamin Technology, so it's just that. So you're going to select, maybe for my case I want to use a custom name. One good thing, even if it's custom name, you can still decide to use your particular name, but so long as it doesn't limit you to using your particular name on as your channel name. So this area you're going to give it the name. For example, let me give Kide Online, and you have to understand the settings and the other privacy issues. So you're going to create your channel. Alright, so that brings us nice work. So you see this is the first menu it brings to you. So it tells you thank you for the nice work. Now you're going to upload a profile picture that is going to be shown instead of you using the first letter. For this, like Kide Online broadcast. So let's upload a profile picture for this channel. So let me use this, and I click. See, the profile picture has been added. So this area you have to tell your viewers about your channel, what is in that channel, and all those things. So it's very important you're going to work on this area. So these are some of the key areas you're going to start even putting your channel in the sale. If you miss out this, probably it's going to be very difficult for your channel to be visible. And of course you're going to place these keywords in this description, also in the video. So it is a key area you're going to first catch up with your viewers. So you see, like for my channel that I have here, that is I use for other purposes, I have my description here. You see, it is as welcome to BenTech, Benjamin here. I am helping you understand some tips. See, some of the keywords I have here is Facebook, Twitter. Also I have skills. Video editing is one of the keywords, video production, and some of these SEO rankings, YouTube, you'll find you have to put some of the keywords in your video description. So I can be able to pick this and copy it here because we need to understand. So you see this, I've put the description, and also you put the URL of your website. So I can put mine. So you see that, and also Facebook, you have to put your Facebook page there, and also Twitter handle, and also Instagram. So when you're done that, you're going to say save and continue. Now you can see this is how your channel has been set. So there are key areas. If you see home, there is nothing, playlist, discussion, and about. In about, you see your links are here, and the description. You join Facebook on this is today when it was created, and it's showing like that. So then the other thing you're going to do is you have to go back to this, and of course this is a different channel. Remember the channel I've just created now is this one. Well, this is the area where in about and so many others. So you come to this, then you click on this area, settings. See this, when you come to settings, you have to, first of all, they are giving you how your channel looks like. You see, channel status and features, you can start with that. Now it brings for you this hello in YouTube studio, goodbye classic. So that is just by there. You're going to tap in anywhere outside it and it will disappear. Now this is the first step we have. Channel eligibility, default features, this has already been enabled. This one has not been enabled because you have not verified. So you have to verify your phone number. So you're going to click on this and say verify. Then you put your country, which country you come from, and you enter there. Text what is the telephone number, you're going to put it there, which is 75. I'm going to wait for the description verification code that has already come in here. It is 77178. So then you submit it. So it's already been submitted. If you refresh this page and you come back to this and you say your channel, you come back here and say settings, channel status and features. Now you can see this is default features enabled, and features that require phone verification also have been enabled. You see these are the features that require the verification: videos larger than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and appealing content ID claim. So all these have been verified. Now let's go and check something like advanced basic. See this area, you have to, like when you're posting, do you post YouTube, do you post videos for kids or you don't? If you don't, you say no, I just set it to no. But if you do, if you always post, like sometimes for kids and sometimes you post for not for kids, you can keep it, then you keep on reviewing. But this is actually where you choose as you wish. It has no effect. Then you can as well link your account. If you have a Google Ads account, you can link it there. Then of course auto-generated captions, those ones you can allow people or you don't, you say not to show them. Then this area, if you want people to see your subscribers or you don't want, you can as well keep this. Other people tend to hide them when they're still few, others tend to, but it is your choice. Advertisements and all this, manage YouTube account, this area is important. But let's get to something again. So our basic information, see country of residence, you can put if you want, where do you come from. Then also the keywords, look at these Google keywords. It is area where people also which sells you your channel, so you have to put your keywords in here because it helps in the search optimization. So let me say like mine, video editing. skills. See, whenever you put a comma, it takes that one and takes you back to another place. Tips and tricks. Make sure you put something that is related to what you always post in this area, because it helps boost up your channel like in a search engine. So try to put keywords in here. Maybe you can say YouTube sale. See, there it is. I'm going to put a few, that's all. So that is first of all what is very important. Now I'm going to upload default. That one is not, you can decide to put defaults for uploads, but you can decide to keep bringing it slowly as you move. This general, you can display in the type of the currency you want. That is when you can allow to monetize. Then you also come to other permissions. This is not very important. So once you're done with that, you can save that. See, now this is your channel. It is already open. It has analytics and all those areas. This is also another thing I'm going to show you. So now when your channel like this, you're going to upload your videos, start your uploads, can go live if you wish. All those areas are actually in there. So if you loved my video, please subscribe, and also you can share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you the best.